Flower is not only the sign of love and romance but peace and humanity too. Flowers not only grow on plants but on your faces when you smile, treat someone with kindness and respect. A single genuine smile can brighten someone's day like a blooming rose in the morning sun. Kindness is the soil where humanity flourishes. Let us spread flowers of compassion everywhere we go, for in giving respect and warmth, we create a world full of beauty and harmony. Every act of empathy plants a seed of peace that grows into lasting joy for all.